Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life. In this video, I'm going to be telling you about certain certifications that are freely available on LinkedIn. Could be accessed by anyone. You don't require any premium access. And these certifications are for data analysis and business analysis. So anyone who is interested and wants to know what is data analysis or business analysis, or you're just confused whether to pursue this field or not, and you want to know a bigger roadmap rather than just knowing things little bit over online. So what you can do is you can go through this certification. It will not take more than 2 to 3 days, but it will eventually boost your knowledge over data analysis as well as business analysis. And yeah, it will give you a roadmap which you require as a fresher to know whether to pursue this field or not, whether this field is going to be fruitful for you or not. So I would suggest you to scan the LinkedIn learning platform because it doesn't require any premium access. I want to appreciate LinkedIn to give such an opportunity to the people who want to learn and grow in their field. They have provided this LinkedIn learning platform, and I would tell you how to access those certifications. There are certain certifications that are also available on LinkedIn that are actually very good, such as essential in generative AI. So if you're interested in knowing these kind of certification as well, you can go through those as well. It will not cost a penny, but yeah, it will give you a lifelong learning. Always learn and upgrade yourself, even in IT sector. So whenever you are on any kind of project, you should always upgrade yourself. You should always learn something new, so that this will boost your confidence over your team, also make you stand out among other people. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's go on to my computer screen and see how we can access this particular certification. And even if you want to access different certification on LinkedIn Learning, you can go through that as well. But before moving on, I would tell you that there are video lectures present on LinkedIn Learning platform that you can easily access, and there are quizzes that you can go through after the completion of those videos. And do not forget to complete the certification, because they will provide you the certification from Microsoft as well as from LinkedIn, which has a high credibility. So yeah, do not miss it. And yeah, let's go into my computer screen and see how we can access this certification. So this is my LinkedIn profile. We are on the LinkedIn home page. I hope you all have the LinkedIn profile of yours, and let's see from where we could access this particular LinkedIn learning platform. So here we have this 9 dots icon, and we will click on it, and let's see. There we have a learning kind of tab on LinkedIn. There are other tabs as well, but this one is going to be very useful for us as a beginner in the field. So it's going to take us to a new page. Here we have they saying start my free month. We don't need to go through all those things, but yeah, let's see. There are certification for CRM. They have salesforce.com certification, business analysis certification, business analytics certification. So business analysis and business analytics is different. If you know the difference, let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, so let's explore these certification over here. They have certification for AI as well, but the ones that we require are for data analysis and business analysis. So here we have learn skill related to recent searches. So we can actually type in here data analysis or data visualization. So we have certain courses that are created by certain people. 45,000 learners are for this certification. So we will search for data analysis. So this is one of the popular courses that are going on the data analytics path. So it is of 3 hours course, and here we can actually go through these trending topics as well. So these are all the certification that we require for data analysis. We can go through from the very basic foundation course, but then we can study all of that. And if I open one of the certification, I'd show you that they have video lectures. These are the video lectures, and there we also have quizzes. After completion of the video lectures, we could access the quizzes. The quizzes are very, very interesting. You can go through all of that, and once you go through this. This will clearly give you an idea of how to go or proceed in this particular field of data. They have Power BI Essential Training as well, which holds 365K learners. So I hope every one of you who is watching this make good use of this thing. They also have courses for SQL for data analysis. So this is a knowledge hub, and I don't think anyone who is a beginner should get rid of or who should avoid this one, because this is going to be very, very crucial for you. Even if you don't want to go into the field, you should access this. They will, after completion of this certificate, they will provide you a certification from Microsoft. So that's going to be a game changer for you in your resume building process. So yeah, go through this one and follow each quizzes with all your heart, and do let me know when you are done with the courses, because these courses will not require much of your time and will give you a basic idea whether to pursue this or not. Similarly, we have courses for business analysis or Salesforce as well. So here, this one by LinkedIn. So these are all foundation level certification for business analytics. I hope you go through each of these. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any query, suggestion or doubt, you can write it in the comment section below. I would highly appreciate your time in writing such comment. It matters to me that even if I'm adding a little bit in your life. So yeah, if you have any query, just do write in the comment section below. I would actually know what your problem is and I would try to solve it if I'm able to. So yeah, bye bye for now until we meet next time.